Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how to blur a background in just 30 seconds using the Google's new Nano Banana AI inside Gemini. Super quick and super easy. So first open up Gemini, which should be this one right here. Open up Google Gemini, gemini.google.com, and log in into your account if you are not logged in. Remember that Nano Banana is not a separate app, it's already built inside Gemini. So what you can do is upload a picture where you want the background to be blurred. So you can go ahead and click on this plus icon right here and click on it. After you do so, you can add from Drive or click on Upload Files and select up a picture. Let me just show you. So you can just head over, go to Pictures and upload up an image. For example, this image right here, and click on Open. Once you do so, in the chat right here, you may just go ahead and simply type in prompts such as blur the background. Just go ahead and type in or a similar kind of prompt in your box right here in the command box and hit enter. Or you can also say blur the background but keep my face sharp for better results. Once you do so, you can hit enter once the image is uploaded here. And once you do so, within seconds, Gemini, powered by Nano Banana, will process your image and give you a perfect blurred background effect. And no manual editing needed. And there we go, the background has been blurred. And that's it. In less than 30 seconds, you have got a professional looking photo with a clean background blur using the Nano Banana in Gemini. So if this video found you helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.